Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on this video. Let me ask you something. Why is it that when a woman decides to live alone, the whole internet celebrates her as this strong, independent queen, but the moment a man chooses to live by himself, everybody assumes he's lonely, depressed, or some kind of failure? It's actually wild how differently society treats the exact same situation. Men get judged so much harder for wanting their own space. Today, we're flipping that script completely. We're diving deep into the real psychology behind men who choose to live alone without a girlfriend or wife. And I'm telling you right now, this isn't the sad story people want you to believe. A lot of these men are actually winning in ways most people don't understand. Stick with me till the end, because some of the things I'm about to say might completely change how you see this. A lot of people think a man living alone is missing something, but what if I told you that for many men, this is actually a very intentional and powerful choice? Let's talk about what's really going on in their minds. A lot of these men have extremely high self-awareness. They've watched their friends go through messy relationships, constant arguments, and emotional stress, and they've decided that's not the life they want. It's not that they're afraid of commitment, they're just very clear about what they value. And right now, their peace is at the top of that list. These men usually develop insane discipline. When nobody else is setting the schedule in the house, they create their own rhythm. They wake up early, they work on their goals, they hit the gym, they build skills. Their whole environment becomes a reflection of what they actually care about instead of a compromise. Emotionally, these guys often become much stronger than people think. They learn how to sit with their own thoughts. They don't run away from being alone. They actually get comfortable with it. That builds a level of emotional strength most men in relationships never develop because they are always depending on their partner to regulate their mood. Financially, living alone is a massive advantage. No splitting bills with someone who has completely different spending habits. No surprise expenses. No stress about providing for two different lifestyles. These men can invest in themselves, save aggressively, and build real wealth without any guilt or negotiation. Creativity also explodes when you're living alone. Some of the greatest thinkers and artists in history did their best work in solitude. When your mind isn't constantly occupied with relationship drama or trying to keep someone else happy, you can actually hear your own thoughts clearly. Of course, it's not always easy. There are nights when the silence feels heavy, but instead of running from that feeling, these men learn to face it. They turn that quiet into fuel instead of fear. The craziest part, a lot of men who live alone report being genuinely happier than their friends who are in relationships. Less drama, less pressure, more freedom to become the man they actually want to be. And here's the truth a lot of people don't want to hear. Choosing to live alone doesn't mean you've given up on love. It just means you refuse to settle for the wrong one. These men aren't lonely. They're selective, they're focused, and they're building a life they're proud of.